Today, we're doing this funny challenge I made. Basically, I got me, Blackbeard, and Toxic Bird, and we all have to be our best British accent, and whenever one of us slips up, I have to end the video. Blackbeard is making his own video that I will link in the description for y'all to watch.
I'm British.
I'm British, man.
I'm British.
Oh man. Oh, that's
Boy,
Let's go, boys.
Hey.
Yeah, let's go on the boat, man.
Oh, it's time
Hey,
to
level
get
99,
the
just to
oil
be,
out
just
of
to
here.
be clear,
Yeah.
friends,
We've
right?
got to get out of
Like,
port to murk some guys.
Yo, just to be clear, we're chill, right? We're chill, right?
We are not chill, little bro.
Yeah, bro.
Chill.
We
Guys,
not
if I
chill.
get destroyed.
Wait.
Fourth onward.
Chill. We going full fight with the
We
wow.
British mates, boys. We're going to kill some guys. That's true British we are. Isn't that right, Blackbeard?
We're so
Yes, British.
We British boys. Those tweaks are coming.
Oh, we got an
Boys,
island ahead, sir.
what we going to do about them, boys?
Yeah.
What's about the wow?
Sir, we should stop here.
The wow.
It's fun.
What's about the
Towards the
wow?
runner. Towards the runner.
Hold on, let me cook.
To the runner, boys. Never mind, they coming for us, boys. Be ready.
So,
On
where
the
should we
cannons,
go?
mates.
Get
On
on
the
Conan.
cannons.
Conan.
Fire at will.
Fire.
Fire. Stupid
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, let's loot.
Put the gold score on fire.
Sir, get ready.
I am ready, sir. You may start it, my fine gentleman.
Sir, I'm
Start it, I
stuck.
said. Jump. In real life. Jump in real life.
Sir, I'm stuck.
Sir, move in real life.
Sir, I died, sir. I died. No, man. Right after a bill. Hey, that loot looks like a noob.
That's bad, mate.
Sure, I'm back.
No? By the way, it's clean. Squad. Squire, are you making a video of this too?
Sir, you ready?
Yes, Blackbeard, you making a video of this too?
Yeah.
Good job then. Let me just take this for the quest. Now we can be on our way, boy. Back to port, I say go.
Sir, should we do another one?
Oh, great. Random occurring captain. Back to ship.
Look, sir.
And that's about it
I think he said go without him. I think that's what he said. I don't know.
We're done with the challenge.
I'm done with the video, mate. You should end yours too.
Okay, I'm done speaking British.
But
Bye, guys.
Alright,
See you in the next one. Bye. And cut the intro.
Promise you you'll catch me